Hello sa mga business owner. Ito po tutorial ng electronic business registration. So please watch. So after clicking the link, so papasok tayo dito sa website ng Philippine. Dito type Zamboanga City, then click go to services. So sa mga baguhan, choose new business application. So sa mga magre-renew, click renew business application. So in my case, renew po ito sa akin. Dito naman pipiliin natin yung click new application, then click next. So i-input po natin yung information sa full name, yung pangalan natin na naka-register sa business. Then of course yung address natin, address na naka-register sa business address po natin. Sa email ad naman, importante po to, pati itong sa mobile number, kasi later on they will going to send an OTP via email address or sa mobile phone. So we need to input this one. Tapos natin ma-input lahat, so just click next. Okay, so contact verification. So far magsisend sila ng OTP via email or yung sa number na na-register natin. So i-input lang natin dito. Tapos click next. So proceed tayo dito sa BIN or business identification number of your business. Makikita natin yan dito sa mayor's permit sa baba, lower portion. So ang ita-type natin the last 7 digit po. So actually mahaba yan siya, but yung i-input lang natin the last 7 digit, then click next. Okay, business info, so naka-blurred po, no? So scroll down, then click next. Here naman, just click yes, I have read and agree the terms and condition, then click continue. Application successfully created. So take note the tracking number of this application. Then click continue. Then from here, scroll down po tayo. Then sa baba, right side, dito i-choose, input po natin kung ilan yung employees natin, female, male. Then after that one, click next. Okay, so requirements na tayo. So proof of gross sale, ITR, receipt, income statement. So it's up to you to choose. In my case, ITR yung isasend ko. So on your right side, click para i-upload yung files. In my case, ilagay ko lang sa isang folder. Then click the file, then click open. So by the way, dapat naka-image format yung file or JPEG po. Uploading. So please wait, uploading. Okay, na-check na po. Next, sketch of the location. So click, then upload. Sa my right side, then choose the file, click the file, then click open. So please wait, uploading. Sa others naman, so yung nilagay ko is the previous assessment record ng 2024. Ayan, click, then open, then uploading. After uploading, so sa baba, so just click save. Okay, so ito yung confirmation, no? Titignan lang natin si tama yung data. Scroll down po. Then sa baba, so mayroon sa baba submit, click this one. Okay, so this is the last step po. Application completed. Application has been successfully submitted. So a notification will be sent on your business email account upon approval of your application for payment. So ibig sabihin, hihintayin po natin yung email from the Eboss for the application for payment. Okay, ganun lang kadali. Okay, that's it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So thank you for watching.